Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to understand about what all we are going to learn as part of the Terraform variables section. So, Terraform variables are of three types. Okay, so if you divide them, so we'll have something called Terraform input variables and Terraform output values and also Terraform local values. So, as part of Terraform input variables, we are going to learn close to 10 types of different things. Okay, so one is input variable basics you are going to learn, and then you are going to focus on provide input variables when prompted during Terraform plan or apply. So this you are going to learn, and in addition to that, how you are going to override default variable values using CLI argument. So like this, from 1 2 3 4 to 10 different types of input variables, how you will be able to pass to the Terraform CLI. You are going to learn everything in detail. Then you will move on to the Terraform output values. So as part of this section, as of now, only the item 1 you are going to learn. So these come under super advanced, so we'll not focus there. So we'll focus on a root module can use outputs to print certain values in the CLI output after running Terraform apply. So that one you are going to focus and then learn about defining the output values. And then you will learn about the dry principle, which is nothing but don't repeat yourself. And then you will move on to learn about the local values with an example in detail. So as usual, this section is going to have its own practical examples with step-by-step documentation. So with that said, if you see here, for Terraform input variables, we already seen 10 different types of things we are going to learn. So which means for all the 10 different types of things, every one will have their own Terraform configuration files. Okay, and everything is implemented practically, and for every step you have the documentation. So which means close to 10 different types how you can use the Terraform input variables you are going to learn with step-by-step documentation with a practical example. In addition to that, so this is also going to take a good amount of time when you want to do all those practicals in a step-by-step manner. So this completes the Terraform variables introduction. In our next lecture, we'll focus on Terraform input variables. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.